In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add heading in Odoo website. We'll begin from the home page in Odoo. From here, the first thing you need to do is open the website section. This takes you into the part of Odoo where you can manage and customize the look of your site. If you're working on your website layout, this is where all the visual editing tools are available. Once you're inside the website area, click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode so you can make design changes directly on the page. Odoo's editor is very visual, which makes it easier to update content and layout without needing to work with code. After entering edit mode, click on the header area. This is important because selecting the header opens the customization options related to that part of the page. If you're trying to adjust how the top section of your site looks and behaves, this is the section you want to work with. When the header is selected, you'll see several settings that you can edit. These include the template, background, content width, scroll effect, show disclaimer, header position, accent color, font, format, border, round corners, and shadow. These options let you control both the structure and the style of the header. For example, you can change the visual appearance with color, font, or shadow, and you can also adjust layout-related settings like content width or header position. If you want your heading area to better match your website branding, these are the controls you'll use. You can also move to the navigation settings. In this section, you're able to edit the desktop menu, mobile menu, and link style. This helps make sure your website navigation looks clean and works well across different devices. It's a good idea to check both desktop and mobile menu settings so your heading and navigation feel consistent for all visitors. Next, look at the Show or Hide Elements section. Here you can manage visuals, actions, show empty, and background. These settings are useful when you want to simplify the header area or reveal extra design elements depending on the style you're going for. Small visibility changes here can make a big difference in how polished the top of your website appears. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. This applies your updates and ensures your header edits are kept on the site. Before leaving the editor, it's always a good idea to quickly review the page and make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's how to add and customize a heading in Odoo website.